Hi everyone. This is going to be a really easy, simple makeup routine, basically for people who want to look natural and like they're not wearing makeup, but low-key you are. And it's really easy. I purposely chose something that is quick because I need to get ready pretty fast in the morning. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go in order of importance of base. So the first thing we're gonna do is foundation. What's important with foundation is that you really wanna make sure you choose something that is natural to your, oh my God, I just realized I don't have a mirror. One sec. Okay, we are back. Apologies, I forgot to have a mirror nearby. Okay. So first thing you want to do with foundation is make sure that it is matching to your skin tone or very close to it, because no one wants to look offset. And what this does is really makes your skin the same color. I purposely choose light to medium foundation because I don't love the super heavy look. And also, since we're going for a natural look, you want to make sure that this doesn't look too heavy or too cakey. I also think it just personally, I'm more into the natural vibe so that people don't really think you're wearing makeup, but you actually are, which is honestly, I think the best. I don't like to apply too much. You can put a little bit more, and I'm doing it with my hands because again, this is for beginners. I'm assuming a lot of people don't have brushes or sponges, which is totally fine. I think your hands can be just as great as a brush. So you're really going and making sure you're covering top of your face, your cheeks, and all around. Okay, great. Step one is done. So that's the foundation, quick and easy. And then the next step I like to focus on is your eyes, which make everything pop. I think you can do both eyeliner and mascara. I just do mascara because I think it's easier. It's a little bit more natural. I tend to add eyeliner when I'm going out and to like give it an extra pop. But I do this trick with putting on mascara, but then I actually use makeup remover to clean it up because I think some people are gifted with the skill of being able to do it perfectly without any mess ups, but I am not that kind of person. I am not a makeup guru. I'm someone who enjoys looking good. But found ways to make it work for myself as someone who likes our makeup but isn't super invested in buying, you know, all the different gadgets and whatnot. So here, you're just going to quickly apply. And you really want to make sure at the top, because I think the top lashes have a huge difference. The bottom does well, but I think you want to give a few strokes here just because you can really lengthen how they look, as well as the curl, to give it that extra oomph and to make your eyes look bigger and more beautiful, even though they are beautiful naturally and without makeup. But okay, so you see on this eye, it already has like all these little mess ups on the side because I am a normal human being and I cannot do makeup. But I will clean that up and you'll see how. I'll give you a quick trick. And I also have all this mess ups on the bottom. So like right now, I feel like I kind of look like a raccoon. But don't worry, folks. I'm going to clean this up. Can you imagine if I was like, this is your new look? Okay. Okay, so basics. That is done. Mascara, drugstore mascaras. Okay, so you want to have a Q-tip handy as well as makeup remover. I really love this Neutrogena one. I've literally been using it for like the past, I don't even know, like 10 years. It just is cheap, it's affordable, and it really gets all the makeup off, which is honestly amazing because I've bought and used some removers that don't take off makeup, which is bizarre because that's their main job. But this one does it so well with such little product. Okay, so what I'm doing is I basically got the Q-tip, I dipped it into the makeup remover to get it on the top, and I'm going to clean under my eyes as well as over on my lids where all the mascara bits got. So doing that. Okay. And this is easy because you don't really need to be so precise. You're literally, it's kind of like an eraser to me. You're just erasing everything that is out of scope. And I actually kind of like to leave a little bit under my eye because it kind of looks like eyeliner, even though I didn't put on eyeliner, but it also gives like a little bit more pop, like a little thickness to the bottom part of your lashes. Okay, ta-da. Okay, and I need to get something to dab. I totally forgot. Oh. I am back. So you have one of these guys and you're gonna use it to take off the makeup remover because it's still probably slightly damp, probably not too damp if you didn't use too much. And I do this because if you don't do this step, when you try to put on concealer under your eyes, or if you're someone who likes to put eyeshadow, sorry, I'm out of breath because I literally ran. It's gonna slightly mess with the concealer. It's also gonna mess with anything you put on your eyes. And it also kind of leaves this weird consistency on your skin. So highly this is an important part. Make sure you get something to clean it up and dry it off. Okay, so I have dark circles under my eyes. They're something I'm the most insecure about, but that's why most of these products, or pretty much actually all of them, are cheaper at drugstore. NARS concealer is amazing. I don't usually spend that much money on makeup, but this one is one that is so worth it if you're someone who has darker under eye circles, because it stays on all day, does great coverage, and it is something that I use constantly. Even if I'm not putting on foundation or other things, I will wear this. So this is a part where if you putting concealer under your eyes really makes your eyes pop, and I think it makes a huge difference. If I don't want to wear full makeup, I usually just choose my two most favorite products are mascara and concealer because I think it really makes a huge difference on your face. So here I'm going under the eyes and applying a decent, I kind of tend to do like multiple tries to see how much I really need. I don't like wasting this product since it's so amazing. And I'm also, again, using my hands because I'm assuming no one has brushes or sponges. And I know if you're a makeup guru, you're probably like, what the heck? You should be using some sponges. Okay. So the goal here is really just to make sure you're covering the areas, again, that are just too dark and you want to blend in to make your skin tone look a little bit more even. The goal is to get it to look like it's naturally coming in to your other part of your skin. So I'm gonna put a little more. One of my eyes is weirdly darker than the other, so I tend to put more on my left eye. But again, this is natural. This isn't glam. I could have put a lot more to make it way more blended, but I kind of like this like pseudo natural look, or like, you know, it looks like it's, I don't have concealer under my eyes. Okay, next step is going to be blush. Guys, Glossier is phenomenal. I don't know if you know their story. I would go into it, but for sake of time, I won't. Big fan of liquid blushes. I hadn't discovered liquid blushes until a little over a year ago, and they are a game changer, especially this size, because you can literally put it in your purse and take it anywhere you want. Whereas the blushes I usually have are like those cases where it's powder and you have to, it takes so much room. These are on the go. You can like put it on in between, in the middle of the day, in between work sessions, carry it with you in your purse. It's phenomenal. So basically what I'm doing is putting like a little dab on my finger, and the areas that you care about for blush are your cheeks around here, and then also people put it on your nose. I like it too because it actually gives you that sun-kissed look. Here we go. Okay. Because this is natural, I'm not putting so much because I feel like you don't want to look like you're burnt or because it's like, it's supposed to basically look like you just went out in the sun. Okay. Sorry, some on my face. Okie doke. Cute, cute, cute. Maybe just a little bit more. I like to compare. Okie doke. Great. Okay, now blush done. Check. Okay, final step, and I think depending on what vibe you want, you can do either a matte lipstick or a gloss. I usually do matte, but today it's so sunny outside that I was feeling kind of that like beachy, glowy kind of sun-kissed look. So I chose gloss, and I think gloss is nice because it adds a little pop to your face and also adds color. So, ba-ba. But again, I have a red matte that's one of my favorites that I literally wear everywhere. Also Glossier. I can show it later too. Cool. Done. Final look. Boom. Okay, this is a great look that really stays on all day. It's super easy, super quick, looks natural. It makes you look phenomenally better and only needs, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. A little more zoomed in look. Hair flip. But yeah, this is it.